This is the updated cowling too.
How much you got to trim it?
I don't know. I do not know. I know you'll have trim in here. Casey, you know much about trimming this cowling? Is there a lot of work?
Yeah, there's good directions online, but you will probably need some trimming here, depending, and you'll definitely have some trimming here, along here. So.
You say it's online?
Yeah, all the directions are online.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, there's some you actually cut out here.
Front?
Yeah, front.
That's
two-bladed, yeah. Two-bladed, I got your spinner here. Let me put together your specimen box.
okay.
Yeah, now this is marked here, but what this lip does is it actually creates like a suction almost, it causes a pressure differential in the cowling.
This is how yours is going to look. I provided you with these.
You want to trim it out.
You'll cut out the hole, but
trim it out if you got plenty.
we're going to give instructions for that on the website soon. But that's the idea. And this is prototype, but
right. That's
how it'll look.
Just like an approximate. He just wrote that to show you. He may know.
Okay.
And then piano hinges along here, 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 and I believe that's it. We cut this part out for you today, and you'll do your own holes, and you do the hole for that.
When you're ready to put it on your
So, looks like the longest piano hinge now is only about 2 feet.
Yep, but times 2 sides you'll need probably 6 feet or so.
Okay.
Yep.
Alrighty. Yeah, looks like they've done quite a bit of trimming since the first ones that came out.
Yes.
You just take this air filter off, and that's how you can access the other one. It's directly underneath.
Jamie, I got you some glasses here.
Let's see,
I know I forgot some of that plane that just took off. I know I did.
you got the extra, the fuel injection hose. Yeah, I see it there. Okay.
Yeah, I got your 25 feet in there. Everything that's listed on the outside is on the inside.
Okay.
You had a lot of success.
And what do you got about the wire loom, that gray striped?
The gray stripe, you know what diameter you need?
What's the normal just for the engine compartment? Because
Well, this is like 1/2 inch, but you're going to need 1/8 inch for running the probes to the gearbox. And then running oil temp and oil pressure. It's going to be some real skinny stuff, 1/8 inch.
Okay, so I need some of both of those then.
That is 1/4 inch. Maybe 1/4 inch is what I'm thinking. You're helping out Frank, aren't you, Casey?
Yeah, I'm switching this thing around really quick.
Hey, do you know if it's 1/4 inch we use on, I thought it's an 1/8 inch. How much do you need? I'll give you a couple feet.
Okay.
So we got this stove on, just so you know.
Yeah.
You can just have that.
Okay.
And then, what do you think you'll need? Some for the...
Jamie, turn off the air conditioner.
The fuel hoses get covered up?
The other
Fuel hoses? No.
No, okay.
just unlatch that one.
So, this is for the smaller wires.
Yep, run into the gearbox. I'll show you on yours.
Alright, and that one's already latched to the right there.
One will run along here, and I believe this one's already been done and strain relief, so it'll be out the back here. You'll come off a wire here that's labeled fuel, gearbox temp, and then bring it up. But it'll run right along here.
Okay.
And we usually use these tapped holes for, I'll give you a couple brackets too. Casey, and you'll use some M6 hardware and blue Loctite.
Okay. Blue Loctite on this stuff and the white.
Yep. Use these tap holes here to run this.
And
Yep,
yeah, okay.
and use the clamps.
All right.
And same for here too. I don't know much about it. Casey might be able to tell you, but everything gets strain relief. And you've got the help of Bill Starkey and Frank, just to confirm, you already have the fuel pumps, the wire bus, and the install DVD.
What's that?
You have the wire bus already, the fuel pumps, and the installation DVD, right? That box.
I feel ready now.
Yeah, we're shipped as many as we could before Oscar.
Sorry about that, I had to reverse the shroud for you. So, that's your oil cooler. There's mounting instructions. This will actually mount on the valve cover side, basically kind of like that.
Yep.
And it mounts with a bracket that you make basically on the firewall, or I think it mounts actually to the firewall. And then you put one support bracket, and then these lines go underneath here, around to the other side. So you can just put that in your car, and your prop too. And then, are you going to put this in the back of your truck?
Yep.
Okay, you want me to wrap it up in saran wrap just in case it rains?
Probably would be a good idea.
Alright.
Because you know it's going to rain.
Throw those in the truck too. Yeah, it probably is.
How about like this?
Yeah, they're all that way.
That's for RV12, right?
Yeah, for RV12.
See you.
What happens is you put like one attached piece there, I think, if you follow the instructions.
Okay.
Can you tell me what
I was sitting on these in case they get a little bit of rain.
Right.
Let's get these.
Yes, I can drop down here. Right. Everything.
One prop extension.
That thing goes inside, right?
No,
Huh? Outside?
we need to do this right away.
Do we get the other end of the plug for this so we can put a wire on it?
That you're gonna want to again refer to the instructions because I don't know officially what he says what he wants you to do.
Okay.
What I personally would do is I would get some really nice barrel crimps, and I would cut that thing off and I would permanently
Attack.
do
Okay.
wiring. Yeah, you wouldn't want that plug. That thing's
Oh.